Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a beautiful day. It's the weekend, which means we get to go out to eat some yummy food instead of computer time. Here's Babe, relaxing and enjoying the bed. She's a little pissed off at me because I know how to piss her off. It's true, but it's okay because we're gonna go get her favorite food. Look at that. She's giving me hearts. She loves me.
Love you.
Come on, we gotta go get food.
Yeah, fine.
All right, no more, what is it, Love Island?
Yeah.
All right, well,
Australia.
we're moving Love Island to my favorite island, Pho World.
Oh, well.
Let's go. All right, Quinn, what is the plan for the day?
We're eating pho soup
Why are we eating pho soup?
because that's what I'm craving.
It's true. It is Quinn's favorite breakfast. For those of you who don't know Quinn, she loves it. She lives for it. It's her favorite thing. And I found a very highly rated location right in our neck of the neighborhood. We actually did try to go here once, but unfortunately, I couldn't find it for better or for worse. It's in an alleyway, so we're gonna try to do it again. We'll bring you on our journey.
So we're going to a secret pho place that John will not tell me about, but he looked it up and he said it was really good. So I'm really excited to try it because pho is my favorite soup in all of the lands of Asia.
This is called Alleyway Towards Happiness, Love, and Joy in My Belly. Follow along as we watch true fulfillment occur live from Da Nang, Vietnam. We're gonna do something fun, ladies and gentlemen. We're having Quinn navigate us there. I'm giving her my phone. Down here. This is exciting. Quinn is figuring out where we're going. Did she find it? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the location. Let's see if she found it. Oh, she's walking right past it. Wait. This is it. Good job. Good job. We are gonna order one large beef pho, one small chicken pho, because I want to compare the size of the large to the small, and then one shrimp spring rolls. They have very good reviews here. Other than that, I think we're just gonna have smiles all around. Let's see. Hold on. Oh my god.
This is so good. It looks super gnarly. It looks like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle juice or something like that. But it's really good. It's pickled garlic. My tummy is hungry and excited. Ah, thank you. Yum. Looks good. Dude, that looks really good. Ah, come on. This one is the small chicken. And man, it's pretty close to what this is, the large. This is the small, this is the large. We got the large beef pho because we love beef, like 100%. But I have to say, in terms of quantity, it's not that much different. And the chicken meat in this looks really good. So I definitely think this looks like way up my alley. Squeeze a little lime in here. I'll start with the chicken. Put some bean sprouts in. Boom, baby. Put some of this basil in. My favorite. Oh, that's really good. Holy shit. Bone broth, it just tastes so good. It's got a depth and a lightness to it though. Oh my God. It's like the perfect amount of saltiness. When I squeeze that lime in there, it's like, it's perfect. I find it shocking how much I love the chicken pho. I would rate this a 9.7 in terms of one of my favorite phos, and it's chicken. It's crazy.
Excellent noodles. Nice chew. Not overly done. Broth is amazing. You did spice it up quite a bit, which is nice. Dude, this is excellent. This is definitely the best pho that we've had in Da Nang. How does it stack up against all the pho I've ever had? This is up there. This is 9.47. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing. Highly recommend this place.
Lime Bay.
First bite of the beef though. This beef looks really good. Let's go broth first. Broth. Oh, it's really good. Hearty beef flavor. Yeah, it's light. Oh, we get some tea too. Thank you very much. Okay, it's not like rare beef, but it's really good. I mean, if you like beef, this is the way to go. I have to say, I'm surprised at how much I love the chicken one. Typically, when you're out here, you get beef, but chicken's excellent. This is a place that we're gonna come eat at often. I can promise you that. It's really good. It's got nice black pepper. I'm gonna go 9.43. So I actually think I like the chicken more, which is shocking because I do love the beef, but that's healthier too. So get that 2-for-1 benefit. Tea's always good. It's just like a nice little enhancer.
All right, trying the beef. Woo! We got a mixer. All right, trying the broth. I like the broth of the chicken more. But it's still really good. I review 8.7. It's good.
Dude, this is the moment I've been waiting for. Big bang. We got 2 types of sauce. One's a little bit of chili, one's definitely peanut. I'm gonna do a little bit of the vinegar, a little bit of peanut. These look excellent. Oops. Really nice too. Would like a little more shrimp, but it's excellent. It's delicious.
Now onto the spring rolls. The spring rolls, they're so good. That's really good. In terms of spring rolls I've had in my lifetime, I'd probably rate this like 6.8. I wish the shrimp were bigger and there was more shrimp. Maybe next time we get shrimp and pork.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, after an incredible lunch, we're heading back to the apartment. It was surprising though that the chicken was a little bit better than beef. I expected it the other way around, but it was really, really delicious overall. We will be back. So far the best pho we've ever had in Da Nang, that is a guarantee. But we're gonna keep searching. Hopefully we'll find the next best one.
All right, so we stumbled upon a gem where there was a lot of people eating some delicious smelling soup, and here it is. We also saw signs that said pho for 30K. I'm really excited. This is the menu, short and sweet. We ordered the Hanoi beef noodles. Look at the soup, look at all the beef, it's so good. I'm so excited. This is like the freshest bread I've ever had. So delicious. We've got this delicious spicy sauce. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm really excited to try it.
There she goes with the spicy sauce.
There we go.
Very nice. A little garlic.
Happy girl. Broth taste right here. Oh my God. That's divine. That's divine. Let's mixer. Get a little nudie in here. Oh baby. Oh my God. That is one of the best pho soups I've ever had. One thing I do have to try is a dip with the bread. If you know me, I love dipping bread into soup. It's one of my favorite things ever. It's why I love any sandwich dipped in soup. Here we go. It's just like a pillow, a cloud of the most delicious French bread you've ever had. Dipped in some spicy, delicious, amazing Vietnamese pho. 10 out of 10, love it. This is a 9.75.
9.75, that's a really good score.
So good. Spicy, delicious. Oh my God, everything I want in a freaking bowl of soup.
We're gonna try it out. Always gotta go broth first. Very spicy, nice sourness to it, but it also has that beefy fattiness that I love. I love this stuff.
Broth is the show, though. The broth is everything. This is an excellent soup. I'm gonna go, I don't know, man. I almost gave a crazy score. I'll go 9.68. 9.68. That's a very healthy score for this. Excellent. This is some of the best pho in Da Nang. I promise you that. Gotta try it with the bread. It is fresh. I almost just want to eat it as is, but you don't get bread like that in Asia. Only in Vietnam. Excellent. Definitely check this place out. Pho Long Hoi. He's my dude. He takes care of me, so come take care of him. If you can handle the heat, come hang out with the buttons.
Let's go. This has got to be one of our favorite pho spots in all of Da Nang. I'm so grateful we got lost and we stumbled upon this gem. Genuinely, if you're anywhere in the vicinity and you find a Pho Long Hoi, get the Hanoi beef noodles, try the spicy red sauce, put a little bit of garlic on there. You'll be very happy you did.